Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I've found something truly special, though it might not look like much right now. This is a vintage sewing machine I rescued from a scrapyard. As you can see, it's in rough shape, caked in rust, seized up, and practically forgotten by time. But there's a certain beauty in these old machines. They were built to last forever. My goal today is to strip it down to the last bolt, clean off years of neglect, and see if we can hear it hum once again. Let's get started. Bangla Big. The disassembly was the hardest part. Every single screw felt like it was welded shut by rust. I'm currently using a heavy-duty degreaser and some wire brushes to get into the grooves. It's a slow, methodical process, but you can't rush perfection. Look at the gears here. Once the grime is gone, you can see the incredible craftsmanship that went into this. I'll be soaking the smaller parts in an oil bath overnight to loosen the remaining oxidation. It's starting to look like a machine again instead of a piece of iron. Now for the most satisfying part, bringing back the glow. I decided to stick with the classic deep black finish to honor its heritage. I'm applying a fresh coat of enamel, and you can already see the transformation. Once the paint is dry, I'll begin the reassembly. Every joint needs a drop of high-quality oil to ensure smooth movement. It's like putting a puzzle back together, but this time, the pieces are shiny and new. The tension needs to be just right for the perfect stitch. And there she is. From a rusted relic to a functional masterpiece, seeing it run this smoothly after so many years is incredibly rewarding. It's more than just a tool, it's a piece of history preserved. If you enjoyed watching this restoration as much as I enjoyed doing it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.